Hello Skywinders, welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode we're going to be looking at this watch band that I just bought from Amazon. It's called Ritche with a T in there, R-I-T-C-H-E. Ritche Watch Bands, which I believe is the best silicone watch band in the world. And there's a specific reason why I say that. I'm not making a random video here, I'm just so happy about it. I do have a lot of other watch bands and I'm not making any videos on that. I'm making it on this one because it's very good watch band. Well, it is silicone, which is great. So it feels very comfortable when you put it on. But that's not the end of it. The next good part about it is the quick release, if you see that right there. And you probably already know what that is, so you just use your nail to unlock and pull out the band. That's the next good thing about it. But the best thing about this watch band, the two best things about this watch band is, well, number one, it has a locking thing right here. I don't know what it's called. Let me see if I can focus. But this part right here has a tab there that will lock into this hole. If you look at it right here, you'll notice this big hole right here. That's where this inner band will lock into it. You'll notice that right there, that tab. It won't focus, my computer won't focus. Yeah, there we go. So that tab will lock into this hole and it won't be moving around. So that's I've never seen that on another watch band. And the other cool thing about this band is the holes. Not only does it have a lot of holes, but they're very close together. And the reason why that matters is because sometimes I have a lot of watch bands where when I put it on, I find that one hole is too loose and the other one's too tight because they're spaced out far away. So one hole will be way too loose and the other one's way too tight, and I feel like I need to make a new hole, and I have made new holes on the center. And they're so spaced out that you can make holes on the center without damaging anything. But this one doesn't need you to do that, because this one already has the holes are so close together, and that's a good thing. And the last cool thing about it is that it has this curvature right here, which does help when you put it on. It helps. It hugs your wrist. So that's those are the pros. The cons are it's the same tab right here that when you put it on and when you put it off is since you have to latch that tab in, it can be a little tricky to see. I'm trying to do it right now. Well, I got the camera in front of me, so it's kind of getting in the way. Let me pause. Okay, so you put it to your desired hole, and then you go through the first loop. I'll call it a loop. I don't know what it's really called. And then you have to plug it in here. There is a little bit of resistance there. But once it falls in, it stays in there. So this is not going to fall off like that. It's not going to move out of the way, and this won't come off. And the second one is just trapped in between those two things. So you know that you have a watch that's staying in place. So yeah, it's an amazing product, and they do give you an extra band for children. Let me go get it. Okay, so this is the spare one that they give you, and it's for children, I believe, because it's smaller. It's smaller than the other one. I've tried both and they both work for me, but this one's a little awkward. It almost feels like I'm wearing a children's watch, so I'm not going to be using this. It also does have that quick release. So it's the only watch band that I know that they'll give you 2 bands. So let's put it on just to look at it. So it's so easy to remove. You use your nail, and then you put in the new one, and then you just wiggle it around. And now let's see if I can put it on with the camera in the way. So there we go. I like that hole right there. So yeah, this is a children's, if you look at it closely, it's kind of a children's, still works. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but it kind of runs out real quick. So you know if you're wearing a children's band or maybe even a children's watch, which is not a children's watch. So overall, I'm very happy with it. I'm very happy with this band, and I do recommend it. It's from Amazon, and I believe I paid $17. Or no. I paid $18 because I have to include tax and shipping. So yeah, it's $18, but it's definitely the best watch band in the world, as far as I'm concerned. That's my opinion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.